how to fix Roblox, you must reset your password before you can continue. Now, if you got this message, then you can just click on change password from the message itself, or you can open up the browser on your phone, search for Roblox, Google search for Roblox, open up this first website that pops up, then you will click on continue in browser. Once you select continue in browser, then you want to type your email address or username. So for example, here I'll just do my username, and we want to select forgot password or username. Now here it is going to ask again for the username, so probably should have written it here. So then you want to click on next, and you will enter the email or phone associated with your account, and afterwards it's going to send you an email. You will open up that email, and from there you will be able to set a new password for your account. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.